Based on digitized patient data, the virtual tooth setup was carried out in the Zirkonzahn modifier software. The titanium bars were then modeled in the Zirkonzahn modeler software and milled in the M2 dual telescoper milling unit. After that, the structures were digitally adjusted and positioned in the Zirkonzahn nesting software. Thanks to the color gradient visualization of the Prettau 3 dispersive zirconia with gradual triplex technology, it was possible to optimal align the restoration in the blank and individualize the color. After milling, the dental technician accentuated the restorations with the acid-free water-based color liquids Prettau Aquarelle Intensive Colors. The structures were then characterized with the Ice Stains 3D by Enrico Steger, and glazed with 3D base glaze. Once finished, the dental technician applied a thin layer of FRESCO GINGIVA ceramic pastes on the gingival areas, and of FRESCO enamel pastes on the anterior region of the upper jaw. The structures were then polished. To achieve an highly aesthetic result, the titanium bars were gold-colored anodized and bonded in the zirconia structures. A final color check was then carried out with the Zirkonzahn individual shade guide. The final upper and lower jaw restoration met all patients' expectations.